Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make roadside mushroom soup. First, let's discuss the crucial step of foraging safely. Identifying edible mushrooms is paramount to avoid any health risks. Always use a trusted field guide to confirm your findings, paying close attention to cap, gill, and stem characteristics. Only collect mushrooms that are fresh and free from decay or insect damage, ensuring the best quality for your delicious soup. Once you've safely gathered your mushrooms, it's time to prepare the other ingredients. For a hearty soup, aim for about 2 cups of cleaned, sliced wild mushrooms. You'll also need 1 medium onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and fresh herbs like thyme or parsley. Make sure all your produce is thoroughly washed and ready for chopping. This careful preparation sets the stage for a truly flavorful and comforting soup. Now for the cooking. Begin by sautéing your chopped onions and garlic in a pot until softened, releasing their wonderful aroma. Then, add your prepared mushrooms and cook until they release their moisture. Pour in about 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth, bring it to a simmer, and let it cook for at least 20 minutes. Finally, stir in 1/2 cup of heavy cream or milk for a rich, velvety texture. Your roadside mushroom soup is now ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls, garnish with some fresh parsley or chives, and a sprinkle of black pepper. This rustic and flavorful soup pairs wonderfully with a slice of warm, crusty bread, making it a perfect meal after a day of foraging. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your home as fresh as your soup.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.